make some bourbon barrel short ribs today. What are short ribs? In my research, I found out that the beef rib is so long, any section of that rib is considered a short rib. So, and it passes through many different parts of the animal: the flank, the rib, the brisket, the chuck, and they can all have different attributes to them. We're going to look at some back beef ribs today and some chuck beef ribs, and there's quite a bit of difference between the two of them. So let's get started. So like I said, we're doing some bourbon barrel short ribs. What does that mean? That means our good friends here at Bourbon Barrel Foods have produced some fine products here in Louisville. We're going to use some soy and some of their Worcestershire. How do you say that? I don't know. I say Worcestershire. Worcestershire. So equal amounts. I'm going to do probably got the rest of this bottle, which is probably got a quarter cup. Let's take it. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4-ish, 5. And 5 tablespoons. So we get a lot of umami, a lot of saltiness in this right now with the soy and Worcestershire. Now we're going to add some sweetness for balance. And we're going to do 2.5 tablespoons. Brown sugar. That's okay. Sorry. There we go. And because we are seasoning beef, which is very strong, we'll add a little more salt to it. About a tablespoon. A little more. Okay. Stir that up really well. We're going to cut our beef ribs. Now these are the beef back ribs. Not a lot of meat on them, but they're nicely marbled. And the goal for this, for both of our kinds of ribs today, is like a really rich, beefy stew type dish. Now there's a lot of debate about how to cook the beef ribs, how to break down the connective tissue, what temperature to break down the connective tissue, what the overall goal is. Some people want that medium rare look, but the texture well done. And there's more than one way to cook a beef rib, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Today we're doing a fully cooked version. We're going to marinate our ribs for just a little bit in our mixture that we just made. And then we're going to go into our TV behind me. And I've got it set for 200 on the vapor, 250 on the air. 200, 250. And we're going to go for 5 hours. And we're going to do 2 different versions. We're going to truly sous vide some of these. We're going to put them in a bag and vacuum them. And the other ones we're just going to lay on a pan and cook them. So I'm just going to individually chop. I may do 2 rib portions. Let's do 2 rib portions on these back ribs. That last bit is very That's a nice piece. All right. Okay, now for the pork rib. Definitely a much more substantial short rib, a lot meatier, and a lot more marbling. And probably about the same amount of connective tissue, but since it's bigger, it has a lot more in it. But it should behave the same way. And we're just going to individually chop these individually with that nice marbling. Very pretty. And that's one rib. You can see how long these ribs can be. I'm not even going to guess. I'm really not for sure. If I'm guessing, I'm lying. This last one, oh gosh, I'm going to just trim a little bit of this one. That is huge. It would be a huge portion. So fine dining or wherever you're serving these, I would say one rib is a substantial amount of meat. So you